How to build a pallet wood lounge chair. You would need pallet wood and some tools. The complete tools used in this video is listed in the description down below. To begin, measure and cut the wood for the front section of the chair. Then assemble the cut wood to form the front support section. Next, measure and cut the side support of the chair. Then secure the side support by drilling it together with the front section. Now cut the wood planks that will be used for the chair seat. Next, secure the seat planks by screwing them to the top of the side supports. Now cut the wood planks that will be used for the backrest. Now attach the backrest support section. Position the planks for the backrest and screw them down securely. Position the armrest planks and screw them down to the top of the front legs. Next, measure the dimensions for the back section of the chair and cut them down to size. Then position the back legs of the chair and screw them securely. Then position the backrest support on top of the back legs. Then screw them down securely. Now position the remaining backrest planks and screw them down to the backrest support. Now attach an extra plank of wood to the backrest to strengthen it. Then saw off all the extra wood.
Small packs. Lahi. Tama. To finish, give it some light sanding and apply some polyurethane protection.
And this is the finished product. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and feel free to subscribe to my channel.